Hey everyone, this tutorial video is to show you how to customize your buyer fit categories. If you're on our dashboard or anywhere inside the web application, you want to go down to the buyer intent menu option. And then once you're on that page, you'll want to click on buyer settings. And that's going to take you to your 4 buyer fit categories. Now, this is why it's important. This empowers our AI feature on the back end that helps fuel your buyer intent dashboard. What that means is every time you share an article with your customers or buyers or whoever they may be, you have an intent, you have a reason. Why are you sharing this article with them? Hopefully, you're sharing articles with them that are helping them understand their challenges, their problems, or potential solutions for them in their role. So when you share an article, this gives you the ability to categorize the article and add weights to that article that will empower the artificial intelligence on the back end. So ideally, you want to choose categories here that fit you, your business, your industry. These are the categories that we've chosen for Funnel Amplified, if that helps you think through. But generally, I think you want to think about when you share the article, what do they care about? Are they going to care about my challenge? They're going to care about my goals. They're going to care about tools. Maybe with your product, you want to share some articles around pricing or the fit with their current technology stack. Choose the 4 categories that you believe are best suited to share with your customers. And all you do is you come in here and you write them. You add your 4 categories. When you're done, you click Save Settings, and your 4 buyer fit categories are set. So now every time you add an article into your personal Content Hub library, you'll be able to assign it to one of these or all 4 of these categories and weights within each one of those categories. You have other videos, tutorials about assigning the weights. Check those out if that doesn't make any sense right now. But once you get through and use the whole system, I think this buyer fit category will make a lot of sense to you.